like using these walking sticks for the exercise. If you actually lean into them, learn how to walk with them, like have an all-wheel drive, you actually get a nice little upper body workout and some muscles that you'll notice you rarely use. So here's I'm not sure what they call this, a lane where they keep it trimmed for power lines. Once you get to the trailhead at Doorman, there's a fork in the road to turn and go left or go right. To get to the overlook, go right. You can get there from going left, but that's kind of a long way, and I think this is going to be a short hike. I think I'm just going to get out here and go back. So if you want to take the shortcut, turn right. I got sunset here. I probably have another 30 or 40 minutes of good daylight. So I went for 4 months without worrying about a female, and then I don't know, I guess Christmas time, you know, does a thing to you if you're single, maybe. I don't know that that's what it was, but I know that just after Christmas, all of a sudden I wanted to mingle, so I restarted that whole treacherous process. I don't drink, I don't smoke marijuana, I don't do any recreational drugs. I don't have a problem with any of it in moderation. Just, I gave it up. Wasn't helping me reach my goals in life, and I had to go through the trouble of giving it up. A few years ago, it was actually quite a struggle. I had a problem with it, mainly drinking. I had a problem with drugs when I was young, an adolescent. I started using when I was 11, 12. Anyway, so when I'm not coming up to the overpass here, so when I'm not fixated on trying to find somebody to seek validation from, I suppose that's what it is at this point. I must have more room to grow and mature if I can admit this. And if this is on the internet, well, there you go, admit it to the world. But anyway, really, I should just be focused on my business and making money. I'm a dad, I'm a single dad, and that's a very fulfilling role in my life. But all right, so here's another split in the road. You can go right, you can go left. Left takes you on the loop. Right takes you back to that lane where the transmission lines, the path where the electrical lines run, and you can step out on a ledge and see and it is starting to lightly sprinkle consistently. All right. I always forget how cool this view is. Just gonna set these down. All right. Looks like the river's up. There's the old US 27 bridge. Hopefully you all can see it. And if you notice here, just to the other side of it, you can see the foundation for the bridge that was before the old US 27 bridge. I imagine that may be a bridge prior to US being a part of 27. And then of course you've got the new bridge. I'll get some photos. I'm not sure how well you can see, but that is Camp Nelson RV and campground down there. They do have a primitive campground on the other side.